I didn't pay for it, so if it's worth the free money. हे गाइस नमस्ते, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबको स्वागत है। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सबाई के स्वागत। आई एम मेघा घोष, इन शॉर्ट MG, and you're watching MG Styles. So today's video is gonna be a mini skincare haul. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first product that I have is something that I can't do without is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and can you see the size? It's really big. It's the 500 ml bottle. I really use it on daily basis, so that's why I got the bigger size. Another reason was कि like 250 ml का price is 550, but this is 500 ml and this costed me 780 and MRP भी 780, so you can understand there's a huge price difference. So obviously this was beneficial to me, so I got this one, and this will last me quite a long time. And coming to the product, this is amazing. Like, I have pimples, I break out quite often, so this is something which is really like helping me. If you want to use a safe product which will not break you out and yet will do the job, I think this is totally worth the price, and I just love this. Thumbs up. This is the Plum Green Tea Revitalizing face mist. Such a big name. Anyways, so yeah, this is the face mist, and this is something again I can't do without. Like, these are all my essentials. I just can't do without all these items. I restock it like quite often because this gets over very soon, because I and my mom, we both love this very much, and this is quite affordable. Like, this retails for 360, but I got this from Purple, and Purple में again 360 में तो कभी भी खरीदना नहीं होगा. It was much lesser, I guess, and this is something you can just blindly buy it. Like Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn facial oil. This is a facial oil, and this is a game changer. Like, I have used so many bottles of this, and this is amazing. Like, that glow, it really gives that glow, and I just use it in my night time before my makeup at times. This is again a revolutionary product, and I love Plum as a brand. And there was a time I had everything Plum ka, like from sunscreen, moisturizer, toner, this face mist. I used to use everything from Plum, but now I've moved on and I try different products. But these two products, I'm like still stuck with these products. Like, I couldn't find something better than this, so I'm really loving this too. And these are quite affordable and yet very good. You can use this if you want your makeup to be dewy and you want to apply something before, like a facial oil. So you can use this in night time. This really gives you that much needed hydration, and when I wake up, my skin feels all dewy and soft. So again, this is a great product. This comes with a dropper. This one retails for 775 rupees, but I got this for 698 rupees. Now coming to the thing why I love Purple. So I got a free pouch with this, so I'll show you what I got from. So this is the thing that I got for free, and there are 3 mini products inside it. And see, this is so cute. This potly is like, I really see myself like taking this everywhere I go. I can keep my lipsticks in it, accessories, and they will not be lost in the bag. So yeah, so the products are really cute, so please be ready for that. So the first thing that I have is a Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. It's too cute, I know. So this is a toner. I used to use this toner as well of Plum, and obviously I see myself using this from tomorrow. Yeah. Next product that I have is the Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So I have not tried this before, so this is again a very cute one. So yeah, I will try and let you guys know if it's worth the money. Oh, if it's worth. Okay, I didn't pay for it, so if it's worth the free money. Anyway, so next is the Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. So yeah, now ये तो 2 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा, but yeah, I'm really happy. Like, I got this super cute products for free. They're all back in the potly, and let's go to the next product. So this time I really focus on the fact that the stuff that I use on daily basis और मेरे को ज़्यादा लगता है. So उसमें मैंने I got the bigger sizes. So I got this Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water, And again, this is a huge bottle. This is, I guess, the 400 ml bottle, and because I really get I really run out of this very quickly, so I got the bigger size, and also price point se bhi this was beneficial for me, so that's why also. So I will always say, like, invest in a good makeup remover. Like, don't just go directly with your face wash and you're like done. Not really. So use a good makeup remover. You can use anything, but I think this is the one of the most affordable option that you have. This is a very important step because removing your makeup is very important, because you don't want to ruin your skin. Because you often complain कि you know makeup किया था इसलिए मेरे को पिंपल आ गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, skin खराब हो गया. The problem really lies in removing. Like, we don't really put the effort that we put while doing makeup, we don't put that effort while removing it. So there is where the problem lies. So please understand the problem and उस पे काम करो. Like, remove your makeup religiously. Then only you will not face any problem doing makeup. The last product that I have is the moisturizer, again, which I love. Like, I've been using this for the longest time, and this is my third or fourth bottle, I don't remember. So this is the Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion, and I just bought this like recently, and I'm over with that because my mom and I use it, so I really need this. And this is a great moisturizer. Like, if I do my skincare routine, I'll just talk in depth about it, but for now I'll say it's a really good moisturizer. And if you are not a primer person or something, you can just use this and you will not need a primer if you don't have much pores. So this is a very good primer. This is a very good moisturizer, and this is not available on Nykaa or Purple. This is available only on Amazon. This one retails for 850, and this is quite a huge bottle, and I think it's totally worth the money. So especially when you're buying your skincare, I really think you should invest a little bit, because that is something which you're applying directly on your skin. So yeah, that is it for the small haul, and many makeup hauls are gonna come your way, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, घंटी भी बजा देना, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So that is it for today's video. We'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.